Welcome to Technology Lab. Today we will learn more about Hadoop. In the last video, we learned about why we need big data, why big data is important, what is Hadoop, Hadoop architecture, and what is map and reduce. Today we will learn about what is HDFS, what is NameNode and DataNode, and high-level architecture of Hadoop. Now let us learn about HDFS. Full form of HDFS is Hadoop Distributed File System. HDFS is utilized for storage purpose in a Hadoop cluster. It mainly designed for working on commodity hardware devices, working on a distributed file system design. HDFS is designed in such a way that it believes more in storing the data in a large chunk of blocks rather than storing small data blocks. HDFS in Hadoop provides fault tolerance and high availability to the storage layer and the other device present in the Hadoop cluster. There have two kinds of node in HDFS, NameNode and DataNode. Now let us learn about NameNode and DataNode. NameNode. NameNode works as a master in Hadoop cluster that guides the DataNode. NameNode is mainly used for storing the metadata, that is the data about the data. Metadata can be the transaction logs that keep tracks of the user's activity in a Hadoop cluster. Metadata can also be the name of the file, size, and the information about the location like block number, block IDs of DataNode that NameNode stores to find the closest DataNode for faster communication. NameNode instructs the DataNode with the operation like delete, create, replicate, etc. DataNode. DataNode works as a slave. DataNode are mainly utilized for storing the data in a Hadoop cluster. The number of DataNodes can be from 1 to 500 or even more than that. The more number of DataNode, the Hadoop cluster will be able to store more data. So, it is advised that the DataNode should have high storing capacity to store a large number of file blocks. Now, let us learn about high-level architecture of Hadoop. Some major components of Hadoop are Resource Manager, Node Manager, Map, and Reduce. Resource Manager is available in NameNode. Node Manager, Map, Reduce are available in DataNode. Now let us learn about file block in HDFS. Data in HDFS is always stored in terms of blocks, so the single block of data is divided into multiple blocks of size 128 MB, which is default, and you can also change it manually. Let us understand this concept of breaking down the file in blocks with an example. Suppose you have uploaded a file of 400 MB to your HDFS, then this file got divided into blocks of 128 MB plus 128 MB plus 128 MB plus 16 MB. Means 4 blocks are created, each of 128 MB except the last one. Hadoop does not know or it does not care about what data is stored in these blocks, so it considers the final file blocks as a partial record as it does not have any idea regarding it. In the Linux file system, the size of a file block is about 4 KB, which is very much less than the default size of the file blocks in the Hadoop file system. As we all know, Hadoop is mainly configured for storing the large size data which is in petabyte. This is what makes Hadoop file system different from other file systems as it can be scaled. Nowadays, file blocks of 128 MB to 256 MB are considered in Hadoop. Hope you learn about Hadoop. We will discuss more about Hadoop in next video. If you have any question about Hadoop, let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and share this video. To get instant notification about our new videos, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon.